Hello friends, welcome to video lecture of practical session 6 of computer and network security subject. Myself Nikul Jaiswal, lecturer in computer engineering, Sri KJ Polytechnic, Bharuch. So today we will discuss the practical number 6. So practical number 6 is demonstrate sniffing using packet tool. So here we are going to use Wireshark packet tool to demonstrate this sniffing. So in this practical, first of all, we will download the Wireshark and WinPCAP. So WinPCAP is the actual tool that will capture the packets for the Wireshark. And second, we will see install the Wireshark and WinPCAP, and we will see how to capture the packets by using the Wireshark. Now let's start with downloading the Wireshark. So we will write Wireshark on Google. So you can see here www.wireshark.org. So go to that link, click on download, and you can see here Windows installer 64-bit. So click on this link and the download will start automatically. I am not going to download because I have already downloaded it. Now for the WinPCAP, again search for WinPCAP. So it is also a website, winpcap.org, you can see here. So in that you can also see the download. Click on download, and here version 4.1.3 installer for Windows. So when you click on this, the WinPCAP will be downloaded to your machine. Clear? Now let's start with installing the Wireshark. So first of all, what you need to do is, so in this installer, before installing, click on this file, right click on this file. And you can click on properties. Now you can see here compatibility. So first of all, click on this button, run this program in compatibility mode for. Click here Windows 7. Clear? So click run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 and click here run this program as an administrator. So mark this and mark this for Windows 7 and apply. Again for WinPCAP also, right click on it, properties, go to the property. Now go to the compatibility, run this program in Windows 7 and run this program as a administrator and click on OK. After that, install the Wireshark. Now do not install npcap because we are going to install the WinPCAP for the capturing. So do not install the npcap. So uncheck this and go to next. Again, do not install USB PCAP also. Clear? So uncheck that and install the Wireshark. So installation is complete. Click on next and finish. Now do not run Wireshark. First of all, install the WinPCAP. So check this. Automatically start the WinPCAP driver at boot time. And it is installed successfully. Click on finish. So Wireshark is installed. You can see here the symbol Wireshark. Click on this. Mark yes. Now when the Wireshark will start, it will show the interfaces. So you can see here Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, local area network 2 and virtual Ethernet. So these are the 5 interfaces from where my network is connected to internet. Now you can see here, so Wi-Fi is working, so that's why it is shown like this. Now when I want to start the capturing the packet, so here you can see the symbol to capture. So you can click here and the capture will start it. Now so this is my Wireshark and this is the Google Chrome. Now when I click or or when I visit any website, let's suppose google.com. So it is not capturing because we did click on Ethernet. So my Ethernet is not connected. So we will click on Wi-Fi because my Wi-Fi is connected to internet. So I will click on Wi-Fi, then I will start capturing the packets. So you can see here the packets has been captured. So all the packets that are transferring from my Wi-Fi adapter, all the packets are captured here. So let's suppose let's stop this and again we will start. We will close the capture file first of all, and again we will start capturing the file. So click on Wi-Fi and start capturing. So you can see here only few packets are coming. So I will again refresh this my Chrome window. So you can see here when I refresh this packet Chrome, many of the packet transmitted from my Wi-Fi adapter. So this is how you can capture the packets. Clear? So you can see here what are the source addresses, what are the destination address, and what are the protocols, then length of the packet and other information when while capturing the packet. So this is how you can capture the packets in Wireshark. So in this practical, what you need to do is first download the Wireshark and WinPcap. After downloading, install it on your machine and try to capture the various packets on your machine. So this was all about our practical number 6. I hope you did understand all the concepts that has been discussed in this practical session. Thank you so much.